Are you sick and tired of fussy cutting? In this video series, we will build a machine that does both die cutting and embossing. In part 1, we will cast the handle and machine the side plates. The handle was formed using Play-Doh and a brooch I owned and then reinforced with tape. Next, I carefully cut a can in order to hold the liquid silicone. The volume of silicone was estimated using the volume of the can, subtracting that of the handle. After mixing the two-part silicone, it was poured in the can alongside the item in order to reduce air bubbles. The next day, I released the hardened silicone mold. Extra flashing was trimmed away using a utility knife. Prior to mixing the epoxy for the handle, some copper and gold colored powders were added for a metallic look. After thoroughly mixing, the two-part epoxy was poured into the mold where it cured for 24 hours. The process for manufacturing the side plates began with cutting. And more cutting. Next, each part was placed into the milling vise where it received a series of holes ranging from 1/4 to 1/2 inch. In this particular video, a pilot hole is being drilled. In manufacturing the mid plate of the side assembly, a 1/2 inch end mill was used in order to cut out a slot. This allowed a region to anchor the threaded adjustment handle. Here, the 1/2 inch pilot hole was finished using a 1 inch end mill in order to create a press fit for the bushing. This bushing acts as an interface between the plates and rollers. Next time on press build, there will be more cutting, lathing of the rollers, threading of the rods to hold the press together, and overall assembly.